To love 2016 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels, tires front all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.